The mainstream midsize sedan market once offered some truly engaging options. The Honda Accord featured a manual transmission, until it didn't. Then Honda axed the 252 horsepower turbocharged inline-4 paired with a 10-speed automatic, a combination we thoroughly enjoyed. Toyota followed suit, retiring the 301 horsepower Camry TRD and its other V6 power trims. In their place, slower, less thrilling hybrids have taken over. Yet the fun-focused midsize sedan hasn't disappeared entirely. Enter the dramatically refreshed 2024 Hyundai Sonata N-Line, a high-performance standout in this shrinking segment. Highs. Turbocharged engine delivers thrilling performance, meaningful hardware and software upgrades, impressive fuel efficiency in real-world driving. While the latest versions of the Accord and Camry are far from disappointing, our bond with the Accord remains strong, and the upcoming Camry promises improvements. They've become tamer in recent generations. Meanwhile, the Hyundai Sonata N-Line continues to light up the performance family sedan segment, both literally and figuratively. It's worth noting that Kia offers a similar experience with the K5 GT, which shares the same powertrain. The 2024 Sonata N-Line's mid-cycle refresh ditches its quirky daytime running lights for a sleek, futuristic light bar stretching across the front. At the rear, updated bumper designs and revised taillights enhance its sculpted appearance. The test model's striking Aero Silver matte paint, a $1,000 option, adds flair but requires careful maintenance. Think no automatic car washes. While the finish elevates the Sonata's aesthetic appeal, it may be a hassle for those in dusty or muddy environments. Inside, the refreshed Sonata boasts a modern curved display featuring a pair of 12.3-inch screens, one for the digital instrument cluster and another for the infotainment system. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are now included. However, the real star of the show is the N-Line's upgraded powertrain, which truly makes this sedan shine. The N-Line's turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 still delivers an impressive 290 horsepower and 311 lb-ft of torque, but Hyundai has reworked how this powerhouse is utilized. Previously, launch control was more of a tire-smoking spectacle than a performance enhancer. While you can still spin the tires well past 60 miles per hour, the updated launch programming now provides a more controlled experience. The system allows you to adjust launch revs between 2,500 and 3,500 RPM via the cruise control toggle, tailoring it to the road conditions. With power delivery now ramping up more smoothly, excessive wheel spin is a thing of the past. Lows. Slightly slower acceleration, no summer tire option. Matte paint may not appeal to everyone. However, this refinement doesn't translate to faster times. The N-Line accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds and completes the quarter mile in 14.0 seconds, both 0.4 seconds slower than the 2021 model we tested. The culprit? The absence of optional summer tires. A set of high-performance rubber would enable higher launch control revs and likely shave off time. Even so, the 2024 N-Line still outpaces the hybrid Honda Accord and all-wheel drive Toyota Camry by more than a second in both metrics. The lack of summer tires also impacts grip on the skid pad. Equipped with Pirelli P0 all-season tires, the N-Line achieves a respectable 0.87G, but falls short of the 0.93G recorded on the stickier Continental Premium Contact 6 tires from the 2021 model. Similarly, braking performance takes a hit. While the firm pedal provides precise modulation for the 13.6-inch front and 12.8-inch rear rotors, the all-season tires increase the stopping distance from 70 miles per hour to 180 feet, a significant 28 feet longer than the 2021 version. Beyond raw performance, the refreshed N-Line shines in everyday drivability. Updates to the 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission's internals and software have made routine driving smoother and more refined, enhancing the overall experience. Whereas our long-term 2021 N-Line's calibration left us wondering how it left the factory so uncoordinated. The revised gearbox never once hiccuped, displaying smooth shifts during relaxed driving and crisp gear swaps when getting after it. There's a surprising amount of practicality in the N-Line too. Its spacious interior, highlighted by the supportive yet comfortable trim-specific seats, offers more room in front than the Camry and Accord and only slightly less in back. The trunk opening is generous, making it easy to toss in a stroller or a golf bag. And though the Hyper Turbo 4 is not as efficient as the Sonata's hybrid powertrain, the inline's impressive 39 miles per gallon result on our 75 miles per hour highway loop is 7 miles per gallon better than its EPA estimate. That figure matches that of our long-term 2023 Honda Accord, though it falls short of the 43 miles per gallon that a 2025 Toyota Camry XSE achieved. While the 2024 Sonata N-Line might not be as polished as some of its rivals, it's chock full of standard equipment and cackling fun for $36,100 to start. We're glad Hyundai still sees value in making a sporty midsize sedan. The 2024 Hyundai Sonata N-Line is the performance-oriented variant of the Sonata lineup, combining sleek design with enhanced driving dynamics. Here's a closer look at its performance attributes: powertrain and performance. Engine. The 2024 Sonata N-Line is powered by a 2.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering an impressive 290 horsepower and 311 left of torque. Transmission. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, DCT, it ensures rapid gear changes and smooth power delivery. Drivetrain. Front-wheel drive, FWD, is standard, with an electronic limited-slip differential, ELSD, to improve traction and cornering stability. Acceleration and speed. 0 to 60 miles per hour. The Sonata N-Line can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 5.3 seconds, making it one of the quickest vehicles in its segment. Top speed. Its electronically limited top speed enhances its capability on open roads. Handling and driving dynamics. Suspension. Equipped with a sport-tuned suspension, the N-Line offers sharper handling and improved cornering dynamics compared to the standard Sonata models. Steering. Precise and responsive steering ensures a more engaging driving experience. Braking. High-performance brakes provide reliable stopping power for spirited driving. Driving modes. The Sonata North line features multiple drive modes, including Sport and Sport Plus, which adjust throttle response, transmission mapping, and steering feel for a more dynamic experience. Fuel efficiency. Despite its performance focus, the Sonata N-Line remains efficient with an estimated 27 miles per gallon combined, 23 miles per gallon city/33 mpg highway, making it practical for daily use. Exhaust and sound. A sport-tuned exhaust system delivers a deeper, more aggressive sound that matches its athletic demeanor, enhancing the sensory experience behind the wheel. The 2024 Hyundai Sonata N-Line takes a bold leap forward in design, embracing a sleek and aggressive aesthetic that sets it apart in the midsize sedan market. With its refreshed styling, the Sonata N-Line balances futuristic elements with sporty cues